Hi everybody and welcome back to Wealth Wednesdays. My name is Janine and today we're going to be talking about travel hacks that won't actually break the bank. Now, coming out of the pandemic, we do have a lot of people that are looking to travel the world and scratch that wanderlust itch. But we are seeing increased costs in flights and really everything, with inflation being near 8% in the month of July. When we look at booking travel, there are lots of hacks we can use to actually save money. One of the first is leveraging credit card points. So if you have credit card points that have been racking up over the last couple of years of the pandemic, make sure you're using those to pay for things like hotels, car rentals, and flights. In addition to this, make sure that you're using a travel hacking website like Hopper or SkyScanner or Momondo to find the best price for the flight that you're looking to take. If you are traveling with someone and you're leveraging an airline like WestJet, it may make sense to actually split the cost leveraging a companion voucher if that's something that you have or is offered by your credit card. This can reduce the cost of your flight by about half and also means you get to travel with someone else. When you're looking at booking accommodations, you can look at places like hostels, couch surfing websites, or even Airbnb for ways to save money compared to hotels. When you're in the city you're traveling to, it can make sense to minimize some of your costs by eating some of your meals in. So head to the local grocery store and have 1 or 2 of your meals per day in, and then maybe spend 1 or 2 of your meals out eating at local places where tourists aren't going to jack up the prices. Staying away from a tourist area also usually means that the restaurants and accommodations are going to cost you less. Now, if you are looking to see the city from the eyes of a tourist, I recommend always taking the walking tour. Make sure you bring some sunscreen and your camera, and be sure to tip the person who is taking you on this walking tour, as they are usually free. Bring your student ID if you have one, as museums are usually cheaper for students, and if you go during the week, museums can also be cheaper for individuals as well. At the end of the day, travel isn't about how much money you spend, it's really about the experiences. So if you can find an individual that lives locally in that city to give you some tips, you're probably going to save some money and also see some things that you wouldn't normally see on your travels. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will be back next week with the next installment of Wealth Wednesdays.